$12,665.43, $5,531.23, and $1,154.66. And this is the amount of money people have made on TikTok's creativity program, on videos over 1 minute long. These cat cooking videos have recently been going viral on TikTok, getting millions and millions of views. And in this video, we'll be showing you guys how you guys can create videos just like this. And the videos on this account are over 1 minute long, meaning that the creator for these videos are getting thousands of dollars from the video views. First, we're going to go on ChatGPT and write the following prompt. I'm going to leave it in the description box below so you guys can copy and paste it. And then we're going to tell ChatGPT to write more descriptions so I can create more scenes for the same cat video. And here are our image prompts that we're going to use so we can create our images for our videos. And then we're just going to copy the first image prompt and then we're going to paste it on Canva. Go on Canva, then click on Dreamlab and click on the size of the image 916. And then we're going to paste the image prompt that we created on ChatGPT and then click on Create. And here are our pictures that we created on Canva, and then there are multiple 3 to 4 so you guys can choose whatever you want. I clicked on this one. Whatever picture that you choose, click on the actual picture and then click on Edit in Design. Then you're going to go on the bottom and then you're going to scroll and find Image Animate. Keep the motion type to AI, then choose the AI tool and click on Luma AI. Then click on Video Settings, keep the motion length to 10, and then the number of loops to 6. That way our video can be 1 minute long and then we can post it on TikTok. If you can't find the image animate, then you have to click on the apps and then you'll find it there. Click on the image and then click on Generate. Then we're going to drag our video so it can fit the template. Now we finished our video, now we're going to download. Click on the arrow on the upper right hand corner, then click on Download, then Download. And since we want a funny caption, we're going to ask ChatGPT to write one for us. You can always ask ChatGPT to write more, and then we're just going to copy and then paste it in our video. Now we're going to go on TikTok, and then we're going to paste our caption that ChatGPT created for us. And then we're going to add some funny sounds with our video. And then our video is ready to post. And thanks for watching!